Hello everybody, this is Montgomery. I'm going to get you a little update on the Cal Royal door closer. See? It's the Cal Royal. Oh, watch this. You see that dot? I yank this back, and if you look right there on the closer body, look, you see on the pinion? You know what that is? That's oil. This closer is leaking. But we'll go ahead and demonstrate. It's not really affecting the closer speed that much, but see, it still goes slow, but the sweep, I'm going to try to adjust the closer because it looks like I think it's affecting the sweep, because I think the sweep used to be a little slower. The sweep is going fast, and I may try and see if tell if it is leaking. I may slow the closer whole latch speed down, see if it works. But this seems like a good speed for now. So if it gets any worse, I'll just one more time. You know what? One more time for good measure. The reason for the non-latching is the door rubs against the frame. There, see? It rubs against the frame. Anyways,